How to use glitch effects in Filto app. Want to give your edit that cool futuristic vibe? Let's quickly learn how to use glitch effects in Filto app. Open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Import the photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. Once it's loaded, look at the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Browse through the categories and tap Glitch. Here you will find a variety of glitch style like texture, decoration, RGB split, shake, and wave effects. Tap a glitch effects to apply it instantly. Watch how your photo or video transforms in real time. And here's a pro tip: combine glitch with music beat or fast cut to make your edit super dynamic. And that's it. You have just learned how to use glitch effects in Filto app like a pro. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and quick editing tips. Catch you in the next one.